Today we're going to be drawing Sonic's head. We're going to use these two colours and we're just doing the face for it so it's easy. So first we're going to do a little line there. Like that. And then maybe do like a little circle there and colour it in. Like that. And then go like that. And now we're just going to do like the smile. Like that. And then do 3 spikes. Like that. And then you might want to like just go back down to the nose. Now we're up to like the ears. So first we're going to do one ear, then the other ear. Now we're going to do his eyes and he will look way cooler. Just like this. And then we want to do like some eyebrows. Do a line here. And then we'll just do a little eye. And then color it in. That. And then do it on this other. Do a circle, color it in. Like that. And that's it. Now we just have to do our coloring. Yeah, so first we're just going to do Sonic's face. And that's our picture. Bye!